Hello guys, Dinesh Sunny here again. Nice to meet you. So now here we are dealing with error caused by Ruby on Rails application. Currently developing a Ruby on Rails application named blog. This blog application, I am at the beginning of the blog application, but now I got this error. So now I am going to solve this error by using a simple trick. So you may follow this tutorial to get your problem resolved, right? So this is the ExecJS and it is showing some runtime error. What is ExecJS, right? If you don't know, I'll just explain. ExecJS is ExecJS. Generally, runtime library will be given by Microsoft platform. I'm using a Windows 8 platform right now, Windows 8 OS. So now I got ExecJS as my runtime library for Rails application. This ExecJS will generally run the JavaScript code in my Ruby on Rails application. Now I am getting this error because my ExecJS is not running my JavaScript code which is there in my blog application. To resolve this, what we have to do? I will show you one simple trick, just follow this one. And this ExecJS runtime error means if you just get this error, runtime error anywhere in your application, just follow this trick and you can solve this error. And it will be a smooth development process available afterwards. So now open your file explorer and just go to the C drive and find the Rails installer, because we are working with the Rails framework. The Rails installer, and just go to the Ruby 1.9.3. in my current version of Ruby. In this time it is 1.9.3, but the path will be same in later also. And go to the lib folder. After this, go to the Ruby, then Joins, then 1.9.1, then Joins, and here we have to find the ExecJS, right? Where we got runtime error. This ExecJS is already given by RailsInstaller, and here we want to go to lib folder again and also ExecJS. Now here, please be careful not to choose the runtime, only choose the runtimes.rb file. Okay, the runtimes.rb file. Please be careful here. Again I am telling runtimes, not runtime. So open with text editor, whatever the text editor you are using. Now I am using my Notepad++ text editor to solve this problem. This will be look like this: ExecJS module. This is the file we are modifying. Please find the JScript command. Here, this is the JScript command I am having. Before this, I opened this file, but I will please back up your file, and I will press Ctrl C to my runtimes, and I will just post it on my desktop, so that we can, if any problem occurs later, we can just back up this file, right? I will go to my file explorer and right click on runtimes.rb file and edit with Notepad++. It's my text editor basically. So in JScript command, what we have to do is just remove this /u. Okay, and again this encoding attribute, you have to just remove this UTF-16LE to modify this as UTF-8. So these only two steps we have to do to resolve this problem. And here now it's in red color, so press Ctrl S to save this file. Means I think the problem is resolved. Open. So now here I have to go to my blog folder in my Ruby application. Just, it may be vary in your case, but I suggest you to go to that root directory, and now we are in our root directory. So what we have to do now is just start the Rails server in the Windows terminal, and it will start the Rails server right now. If you are in the middle of your code, I think it is just now CD block. If you are middle of your code, just shut down your server, like press Ctrl C to shut down your server and do whatever the stuff we have done till now. Then again come to the blog and start the server. Means we are just refreshing the JScript command, right? So now I will go to my web browser. I will open new tab, where I will post localhost 3000. Yes, my application has been working. So now what I have to do is type some URL to check whether my JavaScript is running or not. So what I will do is, before this I have to know my commands. I know my command, but if you don't know your command, just press Ctrl C again. Yes, we have to terminate the batch. Yes, okay. The rake routes is the command for the Windows. Just type rake routes, which will show the URLs which we have to type to get the thing, right? And now it will show us some URLs so that we can use. In my application I am using this one, posts get, right? I am using this posts index, so which I have used here. So I am using the same, okay, slash posts hash index. Sorry, this doesn't work because I have shut down my server, right? We have to shut down our server. So for the server, and please type Rails server, which will enable our server to wake up. Yes, I woke up my server, and now I have to go to the URL place and press enter. Again, just press enter. Tada! Yes, my blog application has been came. So we have solved this error by modifying the two codes which were in the Ruby. I will post the complete path of the file explorer, and you can modify your runtimes.rb and have a smooth process of developing. So hope you like this video. So please subscribe and like the video, and if you have any questions, please comment on this. Thank you.